Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now, guys, Grace Mondlane has been trending lately. After paying for the ex's funeral, saying that she has an understanding boyfriend who is just allowing her to do all of this, right? So now people have been saying, "Good, Ayman, Ugel is lying. She doesn't have a boyfriend." Now, Kesana, it is alleged ukuthi Ugel has been taking pictures on Ntokozo Joy Dube's car just to prove a point. Ukuthi, guys, I'm not single. I do have a man. And then these are the pictures that were compared on Twitter saying Gutai Ugel. No, she is trying to prove a point. But Sana High ama investigators were X, they were like, no, you guys have the wrong person. She is dating a 34-year-old deadbeat with another woman, and it is alleged to see this person obizwa deadbeat is already expecting another one on the way. So kutwa, this is Grace Mondlane's new alleged boyfriend that is understanding ukuthi Ugel must pay for the ex's funeral, Ugel must pay for everything and just be a widow at the ex's funeral. Evidence Kesana, as you can see, it's the sneakers, it's the tattoo that were spotted on Grace Mondlane's pictures, and then people were like, yep, that's the person, that's the sneakers, that's the tattoo that we saw. One thing about it, Twitter, guys, high shame, they will find out, they will dig and find out. And then someone also confirmed, Sisi, you did not lie. This is who I saw her with on Friday. This 34-year-old, or this guy, it is said Guti, he is from Limpopo. His name is Lihlabile Sekonya. Hey Sana, guningi guys, guningi, shame. And to think that people were even starting to suspect that Ugel doesn't have a boyfriend. She is just saying this to make herself feel better, or maybe to make it seem like she has moved on from the ex. She doesn't have a boyfriend. There's a guy from Limpopo who is alleged to be said to deadbeat and is the understanding boyfriend. Now people are saying, hey, maybe this guy is only understanding because Grace we are sana. When it comes to money, she is just doing her things.